What did the monk want from Buddha? भिक्षु बुद्ध से क्या चाहता था? Answer is shawl, shawl.
How did the monk use his old shawl? साधु ने अपने पुराने शॉल का उपयोग कैसे किया? Answer is bed.
Why did the monk cut up his old bed sheet? साधु ने अपनी पुरानी चादर क्यों काट दी? Answer is torn, फटा हुआ.
What did the monk make out of the old pillow cover? साधु ने पुराने तकिए के कवर से क्या बनाया? Answer is doormat, पायंदाज.
Why did the monk make a doormat out of the old pillow cover? साधु ने पुराने तकिए के कवर से डोरमेट क्यों बनाया? Answer is torn, फटा हुआ.
What happened to the old doormat? पुराने डोरमेट का क्या हुआ? Answer is threads, धागे.
What did the monk make out of the threads of the old doormat? भिक्षु ने पुराने डोरमेट के धागों से क्या बनाया? Answer is wick, बाती.
What was made from the cotton wick? कपास की बाती से क्या बनता था? Answer is lamp, दीपक.
Why did the monk need a new shawl? साधु को नए शॉल की आवश्यकता क्यों पड़ी? Answer is weather, मौसम.
What did Buddha emphasize for a better world? बेहतर विश्व के लिए बुद्ध ने किस पर जोर दिया? Answer is reuse, पुनः उपयोग करें.
What did Buddha teach about natural resources? बुद्ध ने प्राकृतिक संसाधनों के बारे में क्या सिखाया? Answer is reuse, पुनः उपयोग.
What made Buddha smile at the end? आखिर किस बात ने बुद्ध को मुस्कुराया? Answer is monk's wisdom, साधु की बुद्धि.
What principle is reflected in the monk's actions? भिक्षु के कार्यों में कौन सा सिद्धांत परिलक्षित होता है? Answer is mindfulness, सचेतन.
What does the monk's journey signify? साधु की यात्रा क्या दर्शाती है? Answer is sustainability, स्थिरता.
What word best describes the monk's attitude toward resources? कौन सा शब्द संसाधनों के प्रति भिक्षु के दृष्टिकोण का सबसे अच्छा वर्णन करता है? Answer is thrifty, मितव्ययी.
What did Buddha advocate for a better life? बेहतर जीवन के लिए बुद्ध ने किसकी वकालत की? Answer is conservation, संरक्षण.
What did the monk learn about the true value of things? भिक्षु ने चीजों के वास्तविक मूल्य के बारे में क्या सीखा? Answer is reuse, पुनः उपयोग करें.
What did Buddha believe would make the world a better place? बुद्ध का क्या मानना था कि दुनिया एक बेहतर जगह बनेगी? Answer is exploitation, शोषण.
What concept did Buddha promote through the monk's story? भिक्षु की कहानी के माध्यम से बुद्ध ने किस अवधारणा का प्रचार किया? Answer is moderation, संयम.
Which of the following is not one of Buddha's teachings in the story? निम्नलिखित में से कौन सी कहानी में बुद्ध की शिक्षाओं में से एक नहीं है? Answer is respect, सम्मान.
Fill in the blanks. One day, the great Buddha was taking a walk around the blank. Answer is monastery.
The monk wanted a new woolen shawl before the blank arrives. Answer is winter.
Buddha asked the monk, "What happened to your old blank?" Answer is shawl.
The monk replied, "It had become very old and blank." Answer is thin.
The monk used the old shawl as a blank. Answer is bed.
The old bed sheet was blank, so the monk cut it up. Answer is torn.
The monk made a pillow cover out of the old blank. Answer is cloth.
The pillow cover had a big hole, so the monk made a blank out of it. Answer is bed.
The old doormat broke down into blank. Answer is threads.
The monk made a cotton wick for his lamp out of the old blank. Answer is doormat.
Buddha emphasized the true value of blank, reduce, and recycle. Answer is reuse.
Buddha said, "This world will be a better place if everyone learns to reuse blank and recycle natural resources." Answer is reduce.
Buddha's smile at the end symbolized approval of the monk's blank. Answer is wisdom.
The monk learned the true value of blank things. Answer is disposable.
Buddha advocated for a world where people cultivate awareness and blank for the resources they have. Answer is gratitude.
The monk's attitude toward resources reflects principles of blank consumption. Answer is mindful.
The monk's actions promote the principles of blank, reduce, and recycle. Answer is reuse.
Buddha believed the world would be a better place if everyone blank resources responsibly. Answer is reuses.
The story encourages a sense of responsibility towards the environment and a commitment to blank living. Answer is frugal.
Give the answers in true or false. The monk asked for a new shawl because he lost his old one. भिक्षु ने एक नया शॉल मांगा क्योंकि उसका पुराना शॉल खो गया था. Answer is false.
The monk's old shawl was too thin for warmth. भिक्षु का पुराना शॉल गर्माहट के लिए बहुत पतला था. Answer is true.
The monk used his old bed sheet as a towel. साधु ने अपनी पुरानी चादर को तौलिए के रूप में इस्तेमाल किया. Answer is false.
The monk repaired the hole in his pillow cover. भिक्षु ने उसके तकिए के कवर में छेद की मरम्मत की. Answer is false.
The monk wasted the threads from the old doormat. साधु ने पुराने डोरमेट के धागों को बर्बाद कर दिया. Answer is false.
The Buddha was impressed by the monk's resourcefulness. बुद्ध भिक्षु की कुशलता से प्रभावित हुए. Answer is true.
The story promotes buying new things instead of reusing old ones. ये कहानी पुरानी चीजों का दोबारा उपयोग करने के बजाय नई चीजें खरीदने को बढ़ावा देती है. Answer is false.
Reusing reduces the need for new materials. पुनः उपयोग करने से नई सामग्रियों की आवश्यकता कम हो जाती है. Answer is true.
The story encourages a throwaway culture. ये कहानी फेंको संस्कृति को प्रोत्साहित करती है. Answer is false.
The Buddhist message applies only to monks. बुद्ध का संदेश केवल भिक्षुओं पर लागू होता है. Answer is false.
Recycling is more important than reusing. पुनः उपयोग की तुलना में पुनर्चक्रण अधिक महत्वपूर्ण है. Answer is false.
Conserving resources benefits the environment. संसाधनों के संरक्षण से पर्यावरण को लाभ होता है. Answer is true.
The monk's actions demonstrate a circular economy concept. भिक्षु के कार्य एक वृत्ताकार अर्थव्यवस्था अवधारणा को प्रदर्शित करते हैं. Answer is true.
The story teaches us to be careless with our belongings. ये कहानी हमें अपने सामान के प्रति लापरवाह रहना सिखाती है। आंसर इज फॉल्स।
Small actions like reusing can make a big difference. पुनः उपयोग जैसे छोटे कार्य बड़ा अंतर ला सकते हैं। Answer is true.
The Buddha was happy to give the monk a new shawl without asking questions. बुद्ध ने प्रसन्न होकर भिक्षु को बिना कोई प्रश्न पूछे एक नया शॉल दे दिया। Answer is false.
The story is set in a modern time. कहानी आधुनिक समय पर आधारित है। Answer is false.
The monk used his old shawl to make a lampshade. भिक्षु ने लैंपशेड बनाने के लिए अपने पुराने शॉल का उपयोग किया। Answer is false.
The story encourages responsible consumption. कहानी जिम्मेदार उपभोग को प्रोत्साहित करती है। Answer is true.